What does borderline personality disorder look like? There are a lot of different symptoms for borderline personality disorder, and every single person deals with them in a different way. I can never tell you what a disorder or a mental illness is supposed to feel like for you, but I can tell you what it feels like for me. For me, borderline feels like the wind. I can't see it, I can't taste it, I can't touch it, but I feel it every second of the day. I have borderline personality disorder with avoidant features. What this basically means is that one side of my brain wants to socialize and it wants to learn about other people and their personalities and how they live their lives compared to mine. It wants working relationships and friendships and family life. But the other side, the avoidant side, it wants to be alone all the time. It's selfish, it's impulsive, it doesn't like to get close to people, and it doesn't like to ask for help. So I'm constantly in this state of anxiety. I have a very loud personality. It's animated and it's overdramatic, and borderline only adds to it. And the avoidance side of my borderline makes it very easy for me to get paranoid or anxious that I'm bothering people or I'm being annoying. And a lot of times I really feel like I don't fit in. A really scary part for the people that are around me that love me is that when I get down on myself like this, it's easy for me to become self-destructive. When I become self-destructive, it's easy for me to say, "Oh, I told you so. People are leaving. They're not staying around. They don't want to be around you because they don't love you." When in all actuality, it's my mental disorder pushing people away because I'm not coping with it properly. I have learned so many awesome things about myself. I've learned that I'm fun and I'm spunky, I'm adventurous, that I love to learn about new people and new things, new places, and I can't always be around people because of my anxiety and other mental disorders that I have. But I have the internet and it is such a great tool. I can go online and search anything that I want. I can learn about fashion and music. I can create a video and talk to people that are just like me and really feel like I'm connecting with somebody. Not everyone accepts my personality, and that is okay. I've learned that there are a lot of personalities like mine and there are a lot of personalities that aren't like mine. Not every personality is supposed to get along with the next personality that comes along. I've learned that there's a load of people out there that love my personality and love being with me and just love being in my presence. Borderline personality disorder cannot be cured, but with the right medication and the right therapy, it can be managed and treated. I've learned that I like to crochet and I like to hula hoop and I really like to watch Netflix. I've learned some really great things about myself and I've used them as positive anchors toward getting better. Tell me your experiences with borderline and how you're overcoming it, and we can talk about it in the comments below. Also, remember that we are warriors and we don't need to feel ashamed of having mental illnesses anymore. It's time to bring positivity back into our lives. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys next week.